Fitbit Sense app: the pros, the cons. Most people get this wrong. They think Fitbit Sense is just another smartwatch. But the Fitbit Sense app is far more than that. It's a full wellness companion that tracks your body, mind, and stress levels to give you a complete view of your health. So what are the real pros and cons? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. The Fitbit Sense app connects seamlessly to Fitbit's advanced smartwatch, providing in-depth tracking of your heart rate, skin temperature, oxygen saturation, and even electrodermal activity, a unique feature that measures stress response. It also includes monitoring for heart rhythm and integrates mindfulness tools like guided breathing and relaxation sessions. Another major advantage is Fitbit's ecosystem. The app syncs beautifully with other Fitbit devices, offering activity tracking, sleep scores, and even menstrual health insights. With Fitbit Premium, you get detailed trend analysis and personalized health guidance to help you make better daily choices. Now, let's talk cons. Some users find that while Fitbit offers lots of data, it can sometimes feel surface level compared to more performance-focused platforms like Garmin or Whoop. Premium subscription also adds extra cost, which can feel steep for casual users. And though battery life is decent, heavy use of advanced features like GBs or it can drain it faster than expected. In conclusion, the Fitbit Sense app shines as a versatile health and wellness tool. It's perfect for those who want balance, not just fitness tracking, but stress management, mindfulness, and overall well-being. However, if you're an athlete seeking precision training metrics, you might crave something more specialized.